YouTube, it's me, Chrissy, and today I brought you a review and a little mini tutorial on this mini eyeshadow palette, the Colourpop Take Me Home. And every time I say that, I just want to sing the song, so yeah, we'll probably sing the song at some point in this video. But yeah, it's a great palette, and this is the look that I came up with for you because you're special and awesome and you deserve everything you've ever wanted. So yeah, let's do makeup. If you guys are ready for a review and for a look that I'm going to create from this teeny tiny palette, then continue to watch because it's happening right now. The Colourpop Take Me Home palette is super cute. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a candy cane, but it's peach. And on the back it says the names of the colors. And it's got really pretty gold packaging. When you open it, it has a mirror and then the 6 shades. And I think that it has a great range for a very tiny travel palette, is what I would say this is. It has 2 shimmery colors, a glitter one, and then 3 mattes. So yeah, they're all very warm tone, and the Colourpop brand is cruelty free, and so is this palette. The shades are the size of a quarter. I don't know how deep the pan is, but looks like a pretty standard amount of eyeshadow, which is really easy to work with. I mean, who really uses up one eyeshadow, especially a whole palette? Not very many people. The packaging itself is cardboard, and it's got that soft touch, that soft feel to it. I don't know how to describe that. I think it's pretty cute, and it's a genius idea. I hate taking my giant palettes with me to go on vacation. I will, because the eyeshadows are gorgeous and can't live without them. But let me just show you in comparison to this big old thing. Okay, Metal Matte palette by Kat Von D. It's massive. And the eyeshadows are just a little bit smaller than the circle ones on the top. And some culture, little guy here. The palette itself is $12 on Sephora's website, which divided by 6 is $2 each, and that's a deal you just cannot resist. So the first shade we're gonna swatch is called Issues. Issues is described as a matte pastel peach. The next color is Sidetracked, which is a matte terracotta with gold flecks. French Kiss is the matte medium chocolate brown shade. Up next we have Saltwater, which is a metallic golden peach. The next one is Popular Demand, a matte red brown. And then Bitter Better, which is a metallic soft gold. Alright, so now we're gonna create a look with this teeny tiny cute ass palette. And start with the color Issues, which is the neutral color in the palette, which is the neutral color in the palette, that all over the lid. And this brush is the brush that came in the Subculture palette by Anastasia. Next, let's take Popular Demand, put that in our crease. So these shadows are just blending in beautifully and just sitting on the skin very nice.
See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it. You're not into it? I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I love it when they
Next, I'm going to take the color French Kiss, the darkest one, and with the other side of this brush, I'm going to pack that on the inner and outer quarter. We're going to do a halo eye. Whoa. Just lightly tapping it into place because there is a little bit of fallout.
I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it. I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it. You're not into it. I'm not into it. I'm not into it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it. You're not into it. I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it. You're not into it. I'm not into it.
Next, I'm gonna take that same cream color we used at the beginning, Issues, and I'm gonna wiggle that on top to blend this out. Dark color French Kiss is just a little bit hard to blend out. Takes a little bit more work, but we're gonna get there. I'm gonna go back in with Popular Demand and try to blend that out some more through the crease. Adding back that French Kiss color and just repeating the process, packing and blending until we get there. 'Cause we're gonna get there. Might not be right now, but we're gonna get there. Okay, so it's all blended out, and I switched to a Sephora Professionals number 13 crease brush to help me blend, because it's literally my favorite brush for everything. But I got it all blended out, and next we're gonna take the color Sidetracked. Yeah. Yep. We're gonna take Sidetracked. We're gonna put that on the negative space. Ooh, it's pretty though. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that glitter. Oh my god, it's so cute. Love. Just want to put this color all over my body. We're going to take this color, Salt Water, on our finger and put it right on top of that middle color.
Game and I've been through it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it. You're not into it? I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I love it when they try to get intimate, even though
But Sidetracked all over the bottom. It's a glittery one. If y'all have green or blue eyes, this palette is fantastic. And I'm sure with brown eyes, it'll be wonderful too. Okay, let's go back in with French Kiss, the dark one. On the outer, and connect the top and the bottom. And last but not least, we're gonna go in with Bitter Better, which is that fabulous shiny shade right there. And we're gonna put that on the inner corner, on the brow bone. Holy shnikes. Whoa. Whoa. Yes. Perfect. Nice. Glitter City. Glitter City. Oh yeah. Okay. And next I'm going to put a little bit of liner so we can hide the eyelash band, because I'm gonna wear lashes. Okay, so I added some lashes and I did my lips off camera as well. I used the Catrice Lip Foundation, and it's literally the best lip pencil that I've ever used, and I think it's only like $3, so go check it out. And then on top of that, I put the Urban Decay Special Effects Vice lipstick in Fever. I think it's pretty sweet. So let's put on a highlighter. I know you guys wanted to see that. That's why I brought you back. And we're gonna go with Anastasia's Moonchild Glow Kit in Pink Heart. I'm gonna throw that all over my face. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I added a star too because I'm obsessed with this eyeliner stamp, and I will have to show you or do a review or something. There. Yuck. So long. Alright. Pretty glowy. And that's it. So I hope you guys liked that review and the little tutorial I made just for you. And I hope you guys come back for more. So please like this video, and I will see you next time. Stay weird.